The tools I've chosen to use to convert a lesson to a digital lesson are my interactive whiteboard, along with 3 web pages, slideshare.com, mathwarehouse.com, mathopolis.com, combined with the use of the student response system called Socrative. I'm going to use these sites to teach a geometry lesson on line and angle relationships. The SlideShare I use is a great visual for the students because it shows detailed explanations, great vocab word examples, and it's very colorful and interesting to use. Once the lesson is taught using the SlideShare, I will post this to my personal web page for the students to refer to later if necessary. Once I'm through teaching the lesson, I'm going to go over various vocab words. I will then use mathwarehouse.com to work on some interactive geometry problems, where the students are able to come to the interactive whiteboard and practice changing angle measures to see the relationship amongst various lines and angles. Using this interactive site really helps the students see visually which angles are alternate interior angles, alternate exterior angles, and corresponding angles. They light up to identify the specific relationships. The ability to move the transversal around allows them to see the changes in the angle measures. These were difficult for them to see when I taught this lesson in the past using paper and pencil only. Once the students have had the opportunity to explore the different angle measures and their relationships and to the transversal and the parallel lines, I will use mathopolis.com for practice problems. This site has a variety of problems and explanations if the student should get them wrong. This is also where the use of Socrative comes in. The problems are projected on the board and the students will respond using their smartphones, Kindles, iPods, and iPads. Those that don't have a device can use paper and pencil. Socrative then sends me an Excel spreadsheet to report their answers to the questions they've answered on their devices. I can also have students come to the board and answer the questions using the interactive examples on mathopolis.com. We can also go over this when the explanation pops up. The learning theory behind this lesson is cognitivism, and a little bit of Gardner's multiple intelligences. Cognitivism states that students respond to being active participants in the lesson. They require participation in order to learn. Information is said to go in, be processed, and leads to an outcome.